Welcome to Koratla, a small town nestled in the heart of Telangana, India. Far from the bustling cities, Koratla offers a glimpse into a world where life moves at a different pace, a world where tradition and nature intertwine. Today we'll embark on a journey to uncover the hidden treasures of this charming town, exploring its rich history, the vibrant tapestry of its culture, and the serene beauty of its natural landscapes. Every town has a story to tell, a history etched into its streets and buildings. Koratla is no exception. As we wander through the town, we encounter remnants of its past, whispering tales of bygone eras. The architecture of the buildings, a blend of styles, hints at the various dynasties that once held sway over this region. Ancient temples, their weathered stones standing as silent witnesses to the passage of time, speak of a rich spiritual heritage. These architectural marvels, some dating back centuries, are not merely structures of brick and mortar, but living testaments to the enduring faith and artistry of the people. They serve as a link to Koratla's ancestors, their stories echoing through the ages. The stories of these temples are often intertwined with local folklore, adding a touch of mystique to their historical significance. We meet the guardians of these sacred spaces, the caretakers who have dedicated their lives to preserving these cultural treasures. Their deep connection to the temples is palpable, their eyes reflecting a profound reverence for the past. But Koratla's history is not confined to grand structures. It's also woven into the fabric of daily life, in the rhythms of the agricultural community that forms the backbone of this town. For generations, life here has revolved around the land, the cycles of sowing and harvesting dictating the rhythm of their existence. This deep-rooted connection to the land is evident in the way people here live, their lives intricately intertwined with the natural world. Leaving behind the town's centre, we venture into the verdant landscapes that embrace Koratla. The air grows fresher, filled with the scent of earth and the gentle rustling of leaves. The symphony of nature begins to unfold as the landscape transforms into a tapestry of greens, a testament to the life-giving power of the monsoon rains. These rains rejuvenate the land, turning fields once parched and brown into a burst of life with crops, creating a sea of emerald stretching as far as the eye can see. This is a land where nature's bounty is on full display, where the earth reveals its generosity. The soil, rich and fertile, we make our way towards a tranquil lake, its surface shimmering like 1,000 tiny mirrors reflecting the azure sky. The water is crystal clear. The air is alive with the sound of birdsong, a melodious chorus that fills the air. Birds of various species, kingfishers with their vibrant plumage, dart across the water, while herons stand poised on slender legs, their patience a testament to their fishing skills. Each movement is calculated. The lake is not just a source of water, but a haven for biodiversity, a delicate ecosystem teeming with life. From the smallest insects to the largest birds, as we observe this serene scene, we're reminded of the importance of preserving such natural treasures, of living in harmony with the environment. The balance is delicate. The surrounding vegetation, typical of the Telangana region, speaks of resilience and adaptation. These plants have learned to thrive. Fields of cotton, their white bowls like fluffy clouds, stand testament to the agricultural heritage of this land. The cotton fields are a sight to behold. We encounter farmers tending to their crops, their weathered faces etched with the wisdom of generations past. Each line tells a story. They share their knowledge of the land, their deep understanding of the delicate balance between nature and human intervention. Their practices are sustainable. Their stories are a reminder of the importance of sustainable living, of respecting the earth that sustains us. Chapter 3. Agriculture is the lifeblood of Koratla, the very essence of its existence, shaping its culture and community. The vast stretches of farmland surrounding the town are not just fields, but a source of sustenance, a way of life passed down through generations. These lands are the backbone of the local economy, providing food and resources for the entire region. We witness the daily rhythms of rural life, the timeless cycle of sowing, tending, and harvesting. Each season brings its own set of tasks and challenges, yet the farmers face them with unwavering dedication. Early morning sees farmers heading out to their fields, their silhouettes etched against the rising sun. This daily ritual is a testament to their commitment and hard work. The air is filled with the sounds of their labor, the rhythmic thud of hoes hitting the soil, the gentle murmur of voices as they work together. It's a symphony of effort and cooperation. The crops they cultivate are not just commodities, but a source of pride, a testament to their hard work and dedication. Each plant is nurtured with care, reflecting the farmer's intimate knowledge of the land. Cotton, groundnut, paddy, these are the fruits of their labor, the foundation of their livelihood. These crops are integral to the local economy and culture. But agriculture in Koratla is more than just a means of production. It's a tradition, a heritage that binds the community together. It's a way of life, a deep connection to the land that runs through the veins of its people. This bond is evident in every aspect of their daily routines. We see it in the way they care for their livestock, the respect they show for the natural world, the intricate knowledge they possess about the land and its rhythms. Their relationship with nature is symbiotic and respectful. This deep-rooted connection to nature fosters a sense of community, a shared understanding of the importance of preserving their heritage for generations to come. The community thrives on mutual support and collective effort. We visit a local market, a riot of colors and aromas. Here the vibrancy of rural life is on full display. Fresh produce, grown with care and expertise, is proudly displayed. Each stall tells the story of hard work and dedication. The air is filled with the sounds of bartering, the friendly banter between vendors and customers. It's a lively exchange that strengthens community bonds. This is where the fruits of their labor are exchanged, where the community comes together to sustain itself. The market is not just a place of commerce, but a hub of social interaction and cultural exchange. Chapter 4. Koratla experiences a climate typical of the Deccan Plateau, a region characterized by distinct seasons, each leaving its own mark on the land. Summers here are hot and dry, the sun beating down with relentless intensity. The land, parched and thirsty, awaits the arrival of the monsoon with bated breath. The monsoon season arrives like a long-awaited guest, bringing with it the promise of life-giving rain. The skies darken, heavy with moisture, and the first drops of rain are greeted with joy. Rivers and streams, once reduced to a trickle, swell with renewed vigor, their flow a symphony of sound. The transformation is dramatic. The landscape, once brown and dusty, bursts into a vibrant green. Fields come alive with crops, their leaves unfurling towards the sky. The air is thick with the scent of wet earth, a fragrance that speaks of renewal and rebirth. The monsoon is a time of celebration, a time for farmers to sow their seeds and watch as their fields come alive with the promise of a bountiful harvest. But the monsoon also brings challenges. The heavy rains can sometimes lead to flooding, testing the resilience of the people and the land. Yet through it all, life in Koratla adapts, finding a way to thrive amidst the challenges. As the monsoon recedes, it leaves behind a landscape rejuvenated, ready to embrace the cooler months of winter. Winters in Koratla are mild and pleasant, a welcome respite from the heat of summer. The air is crisp and cool, perfect for spending time outdoors. The pace of life slows down, and the town takes on a tranquil air. Chapter 5. In the heart of this bustling town, amidst the rhythms of rural life, we discover pockets of tranquility, places where time seems to stand still. These sanctuaries offer a respite from the daily hustle and bustle, allowing us to reconnect with ourselves and our surroundings. Temples, with their ancient architecture and serene atmosphere, offer a sanctuary from the outside world. They stand as silent sentinels, preserving the wisdom and traditions of generations past. The Sri Raja Rajaswari Temple, a prominent landmark in Koratla, stands as a testament to the town's spiritual heritage. Its presence is a constant reminder of the town's deep-rooted cultural and religious history. Its towering gopuram, adorned with intricate carvings, reaches towards the heavens, inviting us to step inside and experience a sense of peace. Each carving tells a story, a piece of history etched in stone. As we enter the temple, we're greeted by the soft chanting of priests, the air thick with the scent of incense. The rhythmic chants create a meditative atmosphere, drawing us into a state of calm. The atmosphere is one of reverence and devotion, a palpable sense of the divine permeating every corner. It's a place where the spiritual and the physical worlds seem to merge. Devotees offer prayers, their faces etched with hope and faith. Each prayer is a testament to their unwavering belief and trust in the divine. The temple is not just a place of worship, but a community center, a place where people come together to seek solace, celebrate festivals, and connect with their spiritual side. It serves as a hub for cultural and social activities, strengthening the bonds within the community. The temple's architecture, a blend of artistry and engineering, is a marvel to behold. Each element is meticulously crafted, reflecting the skill and dedication of the artisans. Intricate carvings adorn the pillars and ceilings, depicting scenes from Hindu mythology. These artistic expressions serve as a visual narrative of the rich mythological tapestry. These carvings, crafted centuries ago, speak of the skill and devotion of the artisans who created them. They are a testament to the enduring legacy of craftsmanship and devotion. They serve as a visual reminder of the rich cultural heritage that permeates every aspect of life in Koratla. This heritage is a living, breathing part of the community, influencing daily life and traditions. Stepping out of the temple, we carry with us a sense of peace, a renewed appreciation for the beauty that surrounds us. The serenity of the temple lingers, a gentle reminder of the tranquility we can find within. The temples of Koratla are not just structures, but living testaments to the enduring power of faith, a reminder that even in the midst of our busy lives, there are places where we can find solace and connect with something larger than ourselves. They stand as beacons of hope and tranquility, guiding us back to our spiritual roots. As our journey through Koratla draws to a close, we're left with a profound sense of admiration for this charming town. We've witnessed the harmonious coexistence of nature and culture, the resilience of the human spirit, and the enduring power of tradition. Koratla may be a small town, but it holds within its heart a wealth of beauty, history, and cultural significance. We hope this journey has inspired you to look beyond the beaten path, to discover the hidden gems that lie scattered across our planet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more explorations of the world's most fascinating destinations.